Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to lock the application on your phone with the passcode or Face ID. So before we do that, we need to make sure that your phone is already activating the lock screen with passcode and Face ID. You just need to open your settings and you just need to go find this Face ID and passcode, and then you just need to go click it and turn on the options. So whenever you already turn on the options for locking your phone with the passcode and Face ID, now is the next thing or the main step that you need to do. Open your app library and then you just need to tap a shortcuts there. Go click the shortcuts and wait until it's perfectly open, and please take a look on this bottom side. There will be like 3 options here. Since we want to create a new automation, go click this automation or the middle part. So we will create this type of automation, and I would like to show you the way how you just need to go click this plus button on the top right corner and then just scrolling down until you found app. So right away click it, and since we want to lock it whenever we open or someone open the application, so it means that you need to pick this is open rather than is closed. The next thing you need to consider or concern is to run after a confirmations. Here you need to change it become run immediately, since we want to make this actions automatically running into our phone. The next thing we need to do is choosing the application. You just need to choose the application here. Let's say you don't want your Instagram get hacked by anyone, so you just need to type Instagram, and after you found it, just need to go click it. Now you just need to go click done, and you just need to go click next. The next thing we need to do is creating the new automations here. So you just need to go click this new blank automations and go click this add action. Now right away type lock screen on the search button, and there will be a pop-up here, the lock screen, so you just need to go click it, and the next thing you need to do is just go click done. Okay, now when Instagram is open, your phone will lock the screen, and let's just check either this is already work on our phone or not. So let's open the Instagram. Make sure that your face is not facing your phone. Since we want to check it, we open the Instagram and it locked. So there will be no change for anyone to open it unless they have an access into your phone. So that is the way how to lock application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.